Welcome to how to use the ALTOOL MCP server for Claude code. Hey, I'm Eric, and you guys know that I'm typically a Claude user, and I'm using Claude code. I'm using Claude code in the console. I'm also using Claude code inside VS Code. So let me show you. So here's some stuff that I've done. A control add-in, hello world example, and we can see that AL compile. So Claude compiled and checked that the app was working, and this is because that if I go here and I check my MCP servers, I have the AL tool there. And this is not the internal Copilot tools. This is just connected. I've connected my Claude code to AL. So how did I do that? Well, I want to show you, but let's first actually see how it goes. So I got the ALTOOL thing running here in a prompt. Maybe if I do like this, and then we do like that, and then I say compile the app. So we can see a call and stuff happened over here. So they're connected. And something did not compile because I probably did something. So AL get diagnostics and off it goes. So how do you actually get that to install? Because if you go down here and we select MCP servers, there's no way to, I have a mermaid thing, but otherwise, and these are the out of the box connectors that are installed. So how's this done? This is done by me actually. So see, I wonder what I actually did here. I goofed around with page types. Anyway, you might have seen that video. And now we got a compile that was successful, so yee. But if I go into the terminal, and then I do Claude MCP list, checking health, and then we can see that, hey, these are the Claudes I have installed. I can do what I can do here. So I can say Claude, Claude MCP add, and then very important thing, -- scope user means that it's not, otherwise it will hit the only the console based Claude and not the one inside VS Code. So scope user, then give it a name, in this case AL, and then the URL of the thing, this thing. So let's talk a minute about what this thing actually is. So I control break, and let's go here, and then we can, I'm just gonna do arrow up once, twice actually. So what did I run? So I ran from my VS Code extension, MS Dynamics, SMB, AL17, blah blah, bin, win32. There's an ALTOOL exe file. So if we run that ALTOOL exe, we can see that this is the Microsoft ALTOOL CLI tools, the ALTOOL, and there's a bunch of parameters here. So you can use this if you want to compile a package. There's workspace commands, get package, get latest runtime versions, symbols, blah, blah, blah. But there's also launch MCP server, which was the command I used. So I said launch MCP server, and then I gave it the path of wherever I am working. And then we can see that, hey, that is loaded, port 5000. So there's the address. There's also a parameter so you can run on different ports and all that good stuff. So I take this, and that is what I put in here. And then I have the AL functionality in my Claude in here. So you might run into, let me show you. So let me kill it. And then I click reconnect, and it's unable. So at this point, if I go back here and say MCP, whoa, go back here, MCP. So now it's not connected. Not connected means that it's not, the tools are not available. So I can start it again, and I can go in here and say reconnect, and boom, it's green, it's good, it's working, and we saw stuff happen back here. One thing to keep in mind, which is kind of weird, because this one just says compile. So if you're like me and running 7 versions of VS Code in parallel because you're working on lots of things at the same time, you might end up in a situation where suddenly you're working with Claude on one app, but this thing is connected to another app, and then it compiles the other app, and that works, and it gets confused. And so be aware that you gotta link this guy up to whatever you're working on. And if you're working on multiple things at the same time, it gets complicated. You could, and I played around with that, and it kind of worked, and not always, where you had multiple versions of this tool installed on port 5000 and 5001 and 2 and 3, and then you connected different things to it. Just be aware that this is still kind of I don't know what it is. Work in progress, very new, and there might be. I think personally that all the tools should have a way to identify what app it's working on, so it can live in a truly multi app scenario. Because apparently that's my reality. Quite often working on more than one thing at the same time. So that's how you connect your Claude code to your AL functionality. The most important part of this is the ability to query symbols, because otherwise Claude gets creative and looks at the app files and extracting JSON and doing weird scripts and all that good stuff. It doesn't need to be that way. You can just connect this, and it will, in a nice way, grab the symbols for whatever object is you need. Anyway, check out this video. I might be using Claude code in this one. You never know. I'll see you there. Take care. Bye.